Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. You understand? People, big up yourself. Big up all of my subscribers right now. Do not wait till next week or the other week or the other month to big up yourself. Big up yourself right now and stay safe in the world. Okay, eat healthy and strong and firm and leave your subscribe right now. Alright? Yes. Make couple switch phone. This one is part 2. Y'all see part 1? You guys see part 1, bro. The female drive away. Yeah. I always have some good, interesting video for the world to see what is going on into the world right now. People, this is Silk Reacts, your favorite Reacts channel. It is not a panel, nor a channel. It is a channel. Okay? Okay. Subscribe right now. People, I get these fresh cuts from this female over here designed by Lex. Right over on Instagram, y'all can check out her right now. Leave on DM, you know, I need your cuts. You understand? And she will just sing, yes, and cuts. You understand, people? Yes. So that's it. People, make up a switch phone. Y'all want to switch phone right now? Y'all want to switch phone, bro, because I need your phone right now to subscribe to myself. Yeah. Okay, so the female walk away, right? She drive, not to even walk away alone. She drive away, bro. She drive away, leave the guy there. She drive away, and oh, it's so shameful, bro. You understand? Both of them is doing stuff, so you can't wrong none of them. But they're wrong. Both of them is wrong. By doing what they're doing is wrong. Okay? Yes, by doing what they're doing is wrong, guys. And the guy now, he want someone else to fall in the trap. He wants someone else to fall in the trap. So let's get right into it right now.
Yeah. You know, I'm gonna let you do this one.
He's there.
However you want to do it. Introduce us.
There.
Listen, got me one.
All right. Now he's a YouTuber.
What's your name?
Got you one.
Please.
It's a couple. It's a couple. Hold on.
Hey, man, yeah.
So we done
What's
found
your
a couple.
name?
You feel me? Woody wanted to find.
Yo, bro, this is interesting. So you're telling me this guy is free for the whole day, bro? This must be some cap. This must be some cap, bro. Like, there's no way the female gone. You must be upset or have something to do for the rest of the day. Like, you don't have nothing else to do. You don't have nothing else to do, bro. You're just gonna be here on the street catching couples to fall in your trap that you fall in before. Yo, yeah, this guy is serious. He's serious.
Couple real bad. A couple, Woody. He talking about some. Got me one. Pull up. Get closer. Get closer. We don't bite. What's your name?
Mark?
Mark.
Annalise.
Annalise. And y'all are a couple?
Yes.
All right. How long have y'all been together?
2 years.
2 years. And how did y'all meet?
Fremont Park.
Yeah, I was exercising. She was like,
And I
Doing
was just
yoga or
doing
something.
yoga and yeah, I'm happy with him.
I hope so.
Okay, so y'all trust each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
You think so?
I
You
assume
should
so.
know so.
I hope so.
They
I-
start to arguing already.
We just gonna hop straight into it. Quick little lawyer.
So I guess the devil is right there as well. Yeah, bro. So the devil is right there, right? And that guy is the devil. You want them to fail, bro. He's waiting.
See how much y'all really trust each other. Switch phones for 60 seconds. Woody really wants to see it. We're gonna go with you first.
Okay.
All right, cool. Have you ever been through a phone before?
No.
No?
For the 2 years? Cap.
You
I mean,
trust
not
that
really.
much?
It's just a bunch of dumb games mostly.
Dumb games?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do have a lot of games on.
We're gonna see if she's really playing games. Bring the camera in.
I be on my phone because you know I be making content.
All right, what you think we should do first, Woody?
See, do she got Tinder?
See if she got Tinder. What the? Wait. Okay, so
She have
wait.
Tinder.
How do you have Tinder?
That is a dating app. Tinder.
It's literally my friend downloaded it the other day.
Your friend?
Really?
Your friend used your phone? Hold on.
Yes.
We're gonna tap it.
Let's see what's going on here.
It's
Oh.
signed out.
I let her use access so she could sign in her account.
She, as in Anna Louise, does.
Okay, so
Go to her Instagram.
I need
yeah,
some
we
answers now.
we gonna go to Instagram.
Oh.
You just have Tinder in your phone, just
There you go.
I told you, my friend literally
The
downloaded.
guy can't even wait, bro. He's the one touching it. Yo, people subscribe, guys. Subscribe.
app because she wanted to go on her account.
Right.
And we were having a girls' night out.
Right?
All right. So we gonna go through here. It's looking good. It's a bunch of girls. It's a black guy. Hey yo.
Tariq ain't a girl name.
Tariq's gay.
Is he?
Yes, he's gay.
Okay. Who's Walter?
He's my modeling friend.
Damn, what the fuck? What'd he look?
First of all, bitch, you got me fucked up.
How is it like all black?
Yo, bro, he's not even replying.
Vibes, guys, share the video right now and like the video, guys. Leave a comment if this is a red flag, bro.
Deadass.
It's not like
There's a lot of text messages there. There's a
We
lot
gonna
of
touch
text
one
messages.
more. We gonna touch on one more. It's a lot
guy
of guys
know.
in here though. Who's hard? Okay. Hard eyes. Thank you.
I was just being nice and replying back to what he said.
That's too nice.
You need to leave.
That's way too nice.
I believe. She's a little innocent.
I am.
Okay, so
Man, we don't need to keep going. I think I'm done.
you done?
Yeah, I can't.
Okay.
It's ridiculous.
All right. Damn. Okay, how do you feel about this kind of like, just be 100% honest, how do you feel about what you just seen, the loyalty test, from this point?
Man, I mean, I want to try to work through this, but
Honestly.
I say maybe 80%. I'm not happy right now. I mean, I feel I want to work this out, but I mean, I can't. I don't think this is the right place to do that. Not on camera.
Not on camera?
Yeah.
Okay, that's respectable. I mean,
Need time to think.
okay. But we do have to go through yours for 60 seconds too, just to be fair. You feel me?
Whip your phone out. Let us see what you got in your phone. You know what I mean? You always act like your feeling hurt.
Alright.
Ching too.
What
And if he
in
ching, you
his
better
phone?
swing on him. Hit him right in the eye.
Curve
Watch.
that.
You ready?
Watch. He trying to be slick.
Yo. All right.
Nigga, damn, what the fuck?
He did
Don't
that.
want to let go of the phone. He don't want to let go of the phone. He's doing something. That's why he say this place is not the right time. Oh, I'm zooming in the camera. Okay. He don't want to let go. Yeah, this thing is fun.
He did not want to let it go.
Okay, that was a little questionable.
See that he got Tinder.
Okay.
Tender.
No, he don't got Tinder. All right, so let's see. Instagram. You ain't got Instagram?
I don't have.
You don't have
it.
Instagram?
I never use it.
Okay, we
Facebook's
just
enough
gonna
for
go
me.
straight to messages. Facebook?
Facebook Messenger.
Now you got
Oh, I got
Messenger.
Messenger.
No, Messenger.
Oh, Messenger. All right, we gonna check your Facebook Messenger. All right, you ready? We don't see
Ready.
it's no girls in here like that. What the oink? Why is a man saying oink?
I don't know. I didn't respond. He's just some. I don't know where he came from. Some weird
Okay.
guy.
What the
Oh.
Need to help me.
My God, I hate y'all niggas.
All right, bro. What the Wait. Good. All right, for sure. Be safe, bro. So wait.
Oh, he's right. Yeah. Hey guys, the guy that leave like he's right. He's there now. Yeah. The female in part 1. Y'all go check out part 1, bro. Go check out part 1, and you see how that guy just leave now.
Hot dogs.
It's just a funny meme.
Why he send the smirk face back?
I mean, he's a little fruity. He's
Helping-
like a friend from college. I've known him for like a decade.
Need a helping hand? You gonna show me what you got? I'm the greatest.
Yeah. He's deleting message.
Gay.
Boy.
Gay. Hey yo, what the fuck? Giving you gay vibes, bro. Yeah.
You like men?
What? That doesn't mean anything.
What?
Nope. Stop talking. Go to jail.
Okay.
Go to
People
jail,
message
bro.
my Facebook all the time. I've had it forever.
Okay, we're gonna go through a little bit more
That's how I network with people.
with hot dog gifs. Okay. We're gonna go through one more. You down? We're going through one more. Luke. Hey, handsome. June 9th at 3:30
This guy's
a.m.
gay.
You's a freaky ass nigga.
3:30 a.m. You
Yeah,
texting
say
a-
they gay. They got another camera zooming into this guy, and they take that edit and edit everything together. Leave a subscribe right now.
Handsome?
Number 3. I work in the morning.
Wait. Like, so I'm confused. Like, what is this? Like, what is this?
Yeah.
What the f was that? Why are you texting a bunch of guys
That's
saying,
what
hey,
that's what he
handsome?
sent me.
Honestly, I would make jokes right now, but I don't know what to do right now. I ain't gonna lie. Like,
Well, I mean, it's a fucking setup.
what?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't message him.
So,
Like, I don't want to be on camera anymore, like, at all.
hold up. That's your boyfriend?
Yes.
How long have
No.
y'all been together?
2 years. Now he doesn't even, he's lying.
Atlanta is
He's running.
dangerous. I ain't gonna lie though.
Oh,
I got it,
they
bro.
in
I'm gonna put you
Atlanta.
on.
Okay.
Very respectable man. Your man is obviously gay.
Damn.
Yeah. So, first of all, how do you feel about that? Cause I ain't never had that happen on my channel ever. No one has ever been.
I'm kind of honestly, like, I don't know how to feel about it. I'm kind of upset for real.
But I mean, you was cheating though.
I wasn't cheating. He was the one cheating.
Hey guys, I have a pop balloon on my channel. Y'all just go over there. You understand? Yes, she should go just came on my channel and just find some pop balloon and just watch the video and see if she can find love. You understand? Yes, that's how it's gonna work for she. And she can't go on that pop balloon with that back business. You have to stand straight as a female, you know?
You was cheating. I ain't gonna cap.
Okay.
You genuinely don't think you was cheating?
No.
All right. I feel like I did y'all a favor anyway. You
Yeah.
feel me? Obviously, going through your DMs, you like black guys. You know what I'm saying? Just Paquito.
Paquito.
For sure. I got my brother for you. You feel me? My boy, his name's Sav. This is the avatar for real. Yo, he look cool to you? Like,
Yeah, he seems cool.
yo, I got a girl.
Bro, so they're doing like she already had a Tinder app on her phone. They know she's scapping, bro. Like literally, you understand? So they try to get some. Yo, these guys crazy. Yo, some crazy people out there. Like she forget about the guy already. It's like these people abandoned people. Yeah, I just wanna say so many stuff, bro. It's like when they fail, bro. It's like they leave you right there on the spot. Like, bro, they're together for 2 years. You're telling me that they don't live together? Like, no shit is at his shit. You understand? None of her clothes or his clothes is somewhere. Like, they don't need it. They don't need nothing else. They just done. Yeah. Yeah, no.
For you, I'm gonna have to put you on a blind date with one day.
Oh shit.
Would, just, I'm gonna put it together. Would you go on a blind date with the avatar?
Yeah.
Show her the arrow.
It goes hard. It goes hard for real.
It goes hard.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cool, that what's up?
Alright, bro. Alright, I'm gonna call you. Alright, for sure.
Hey,
Thank
these
you.
guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
She's talking about. Yeah, it's that kid on ghetto, and I'm back in your face with.
People. I'm not gonna just keep pushing videos. You understand? In you guys' brain. Just make you guys settle. Leave a subscribe and a like and a share. You understand? And then watch the next video. Y'all see what is going to happen to these two lovebirds. To these. You understand? Yes, guys. So thank you very much for watching out this video. Okay. Please subscribe to me right now. Okay. Yeah, I have the epic loyalty test for y'all. Make couples switch phone, of course, bro. A lot of these couples did not switch phone. They don't want to switch phone. They have time for that, and they have time and everyone in the phone texting. Yes. So they switch phone, and that's what happened. Yes, they got catch. Well, most of these people on the road I know, like some of them, like a lot, they're loyal, bro. Like, stop the cab, stop the cab. So people, y'all reach the end of the video right now. Watch this video in the next one. You understand? Big up on yourself and stay safe out there. Okay, guys, leave your comment. Leave your comment if these people is a red flag. And that guy that the lady leave in part 1, He's a comedy guy. But people, see y'all in the next video. Okay? I'm out.